Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Up first this evening, the search for a Clarendon woman who has been missing for days now has ended in tragedy. Derica Rogers of Gravel Hill, Clarendon was found dead in a pit at her boyfriend's home in Cherry Tree Lane, Milk River this afternoon. She was last seen on May 27 at a taxi stand in Maypen. When she did not return home, her family became worried. Her family carried out a search at the boyfriend's residence and became suspicious when they saw an area with fresh cement on the property. The police were alerted, and when they dug the pit, they discovered a body bag. A further search of the pit further revealed another bag which contained the belongings of Miss Rogers. She was an employee of Net Merch Limited.
And I can only imagine the impact it has on the family itself. You know, for us, our employer and fellow team members, it's impacting us a lot all week since Tuesday. So I can only imagine the devastation the family is going through at the moment. The whole situation that's going on with females and kids, it has to stop. We have to put an end to this. It's very devastating. I mean, you can see the anger and the bitterness throughout the entire crowd. There was over 400, 500 people on hand, you know, witnessing the entire process. It's very traumatic, very devastating, and I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy.
The police are now searching for the boyfriend. TVJ News, however, understands that he has since left the country. The police are investigating.